I don't suppose you'd like to play cards? Oh, excuse me. Oh, the pain! The pain! Yeah, that'll work. This is... Oh! No. No, not that. Thanks, sunshine. Hey, you're getting me all wet. Hey, you're getting my clothes wet. Yeah. Refreshingly sweet. Enough! Might want to put that back. Buddy, angry! I live in a box. No. Do you know of any puppet modeling agencies? Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Choose something else. Ow! I'm dying! No, not that. Oh, please, stop! No, please! Time out! I'm a little teapot, short and stout. You're killing me! That's not good. Make it stop! Make it stop! Whoa! Ouch! Go! No, not that. Weirdly awkward. No. Do you like playing games? No. Oh, this is a slice of life. Let me out of here. Oh. Just a little off the top, please. Aye! Stop! The buddy-o-matic, it slices, it dices. Do you know how to apply a tourniquet? This is very unstable. I'm burning! Stop, drop, and roll! Siri, where's the nearest hospital? Oh, my biscuits are burning! Ow! Siri, call the ambulance! Ow! What's wrong with you? I'm out! I'm out! Yow! Ooh! Ooh! Even if that! Oh! Glee! Time out! Oh! Don't get my box wet. Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Buddy angry! No. Help me! Ow! Ugh, it stinks like garbage in here. Choose something else. Cataclysm! Well, looks like it's doomsday. It's the end of the world as we know it. Mayday! Mayday! Catastrophe! Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God! Oh, the earth moved for me. Oh, I'm doomed. There goes the sequel. No, not that. Apocalypse! Oh! Rock and roll! The end is here! It's the end of the world as we know it! I feel the earth move under my feet! Cataclysm! You might want to put that back. Nothing is safe! I'm a pirate! Arr! Just kidding. Oh! Do I look tasty? Mama told me not to come. I'm considering a career change.